Hi friends, and welcome to the 6th day of introductions for Mama Elephant's September 2025 release. Today we are introducing Joy to the World and its coordinating creative cuts. And we're also introducing the Postcard Combo creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the dies included in the Postcard Combo creative cuts. First we have this Postcard border die. You can cut it out twice and then flip one over to create the two different colored stripes. Next up is this die that creates a panel you can overlay over the border. And finally we have the postcard die that can be used on its own or can go on top of this stack of panels. There is also a variety of dies included in the set that creates different sized stamps. Now let's create a card. I printed this coloring page from which I'm cutting the postcard die. I'm stamping the large Joy to the World sentiment over top in a bright red color. Next, I'm using some of my ink pads to color the different panels I will be layering underneath. Next, we can start the layering of our panels. I'm placing my stack of panels on a white card base that measures 4 inches and 5 1/4. You can also use a standard sized A2 card base and then you have a white border around it. I'm decorating the rest of my card with some images from the Candy Cane Lane stamp set I introduced yesterday. The wreath inside the stamp is actually the door of the mushroom house. Using my Copic R46, I'm coloring back in a piece of the sentiment that was lost, covered up by the stamp. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you tomorrow for another day of introductions. Bye!